Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this 100-foot strip of LED lights. These are some really nice string lights because they actually come in 2 sets of 50. So you get 50 here, 50 here. Got one of them out of the bag, but I just wanted to show you what the other one looked like in the bag. Now these all are shatterproof bulbs because it's a plastic bulb. It's IP65 water rated, so you can leave these outside. And the great thing about these are they're super easy to hang because they've got these little things right at the top here that you can put a nail through, you can put zip ties, you can just hook it over an existing fence. They actually come with extra bulbs, some zip ties, and some little circuits here. So I'm gonna string these up around this little fence right here and get them plugged in, and then we're gonna come back out tonight and check them out. These are dimmable, so that is awesome that you can control how bright those get. That's one of the big things I have with the outdoor lights is they get so bright or they're not very bright at all. So I love that you have that option. On the plugs here, you do have this little cover, so that way it'll protect it from the outside as well. So I'm just taking these and just wrapping it around this little post of the fence here. But you could easily just use this on, like I said, another kind of fence that has a hole, or you could zip tie these. But I am fortunate enough to have these little poles to put on the top and make this easy while still providing an awesome light on here. So these lights look awesome at night. They are super bright, so they light up the whole fenced in area. And then on the tree, that looks so fun. So I think it would be really fun to be able to have it out anywhere outside to create a really neat little ambiance.